Hello everyone, today I want to show you very nice lace stitch, one row repeat, and I will be using thick cotton. This is color purple if you want to repeat. The stitch is very easy and it can be used with lots of summer projects like cardigans, lace top, scarves and lots more. As usual, we will start with chain, make it multiples of 5. Multiple by 5 plus 1. Single crochet in the first chain stitch, chain 4, skip 4 stitches, and then I'm making double crochet cluster. Chain 3, slip stitch in the same stitch, chain 3, skip 4, double crochet cluster. Chain 3, slip stitch in the same stitch, chain 3, skip 4, double crochet cluster. Chain 3, and this will be the pattern. Will remind you some leaves. Let's finish this row. Two double crochet cluster and chain 3. At the end I'm making chain 4 and double crochet in the last chain stitch. Treble. Round 1 has finished. Let's turn. And now we are going back with the same pattern. Chain 4, double crochet cluster on top of this double crochet cluster, chain 3, slip stitch chain 3, double crochet cluster, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, and repeat. Chain 3, slip stitch, chain 4, and treble. Chain 4, and then I will go to repeat all those. Literally it is one row. Let's start together. Double crochet cluster, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, double crochet cluster, chain 3, and slip stitch. You can vary this pattern, modify this pattern if you want to make instead of chain 3 you want to make bigger spaces. You can extend it to chain 4, chain 5 between those leafy patterns, between those double crochet clusters. Instead of double crochet you can try this pattern with trebles. You can make cluster, instead of 2 double crochet you can try to make clusters of 3 double crochet, and modify this pattern for your yarn, for your crochet size of your crochet hook, and make it suitable. And this is beautiful pattern I wanted to share with you today. As you can see, those vertical lines like double crochet clusters could be perfect for summer top, summer blouse, cardigan, or maybe lace scarf. It would look amazing, and I'm sure you would love this pattern. Please comment below what would you like to make with this pattern, and maybe I can make it as well.